Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in the all-confusing world of Microsoft, something interesting is happening. So we've talked about an update that is appearing for some that pushes 24H2 on their machines. Now, what we are learning actually, because Microsoft decided to come out and a senior executive said, no, people are not getting 24H2. It's not out yet, except for the insiders. And yes, some seekers did see it. But the update that seemingly pushes 24H2 is apparently pushing 24H2 on very, very recent machines that you purchased brand new only a few weeks ago that apparently already have an image of 24H2. So when that update is pushed on a machine like that, they are seeing that their computers move to 24H2. So it was kind of pre-installed at 24H2, just waiting to be activated if you want. So it's a very confusing thing because they say on a regular machine that update does not push and will not install 24H2. So in the all-confusing world of Microsoft, that's the way it is. Of course, once again, seekers, some of you might see 24H2, but only a very, very small subset. And the other way is to go to Windows 11 updates, go to Windows Updates and change your computer to go to Windows Insider Preview Ring. And that will bring 24H2. And last but not least, though, in another confusing twist, is that if you download the 24H2 image that is available, install it on a standard machine, it will give you 24H2 with updates for the future, as if 24H2 is already here. So that's the confusing world of Windows 11 24H2 for Windows, for Microsoft. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.